7 foods you should never eat if you have arthritis. Arthritis affects over 50 million Americans, forcing them to struggle with the pain and inflammation on a daily basis. However, medications do not target the root of the issue, so they only ease the pain. On the other hand, if you start consuming anti-inflammatory foods, you will soon treat the arthritis pain in a completely natural and safe way. These are the 7 foods you must avoid in the case of arthritis. 1. Refined carbohydrates. Processed carbohydrates from white flour products like bread, crackers, white rice or white potatoes have a high GI and thus trigger inflammation. 2. Gluten/wheat. Wheat and gluten cause inflammation in many people, especially in those who are intolerant or suffering from a leaky gut, since it allows toxins and waste to enter the bloodstream through your intestines, and this leads to an immune response and inflammation. 3. Sugar. Processed sugar triggers the release of inflammatory messengers called cytokines, so you should stay away from candy, sodas, processed fruit juices, pastries and all sweets. 4. Dairy. Most dairy products contain casein, which is a protein type that leads to inflammation as it irritates the tissues around the joints. 5. Corn oil. Corn oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids, and this makes it inflammatory. Therefore, you should avoid all oils derived from seeds such as soybean, sunflower, grapes and canola oil. 6. Alcohol. Tobacco and alcohol have been related to the development of certain types of arthritis. Drinking alcohol overburdens the liver, disrupting its function and leading to inflammation. 7. Salt. Excessive salt intake causes water imbalances in the body, leading to edema and boosted pressure on the blood vessels. This worsens arthritis and results in pain and inflammation. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.